Hey guys, Santiago here. Thank you so much for watching. Today I will be talking about crypto vacuum, and I know that in the last days I talked also about other crypto sites, but this one is different because it will not only allow you to work with Bitcoin, Ethereum, and endless list of other crypto coins, but also with NFTs, non-fungible tokens, which I will be explaining in a second. If you go to the description below, you will find a link. You click on the link, and you will open this website with all the information that you need about Crypto Vacuum and also the free bonuses that you will be getting once you purchase this, which I will also explain at the end. But let's start with this. Bitcoin and the crypto market in general is continuing to hit daily all-time highs. Crypto is here to stay. The market cap is over $2 trillion. If it's true that in the last years the value of Bitcoin raised like 600%, and if we all would invest in Bitcoin 4 or 5 years ago, today we would be billionaires, but not a lot of us saw it. Only a few saw the potential of this, so you might think it is late already, but it's not. It's better to invest today than tomorrow. It's a good moment to invest in crypto coins. Um, so this guy that made crypto vacuum, this guy said that he used zero money with this new strategy, and he's going to reveal to you the results um, he had with zero effort. So you can do the exact same thing with no technical ability or knowledge of crypto. So here's where we are with the crypto vacuum strategy in the adoption curve. So the production adoption curve, the innovators, then you rise, early adopters, early majority, late majority, and laggards. It isn't very often that you get to be at something at the beginning. We all wish we were into Bitcoin or NFTs years ago. Okay, non-fungible tokens. They prove the ownership of a digital item. It could be a sound file, text, images, in the same way that people owns crypto coins. So, unlike crypto coins, which they are identical and worth the same, non-fungible tokens are unique. They worth whatever they worth what someone is willing to pay, which can be a lot if the non-fungible tokens are made by a famous artist and the buyer is a wealthy collector. So it is something that people think that is new, but this guy tried it 4 years ago, and he's sharing the technique with you. So this might be viewed by many as controversial. Many opportunities in crypto can be viewed that way, and rightly so. If you don't like cutting edge of controversy, don't pick this up. I only tell you to do this with no money out of pocket. If you are someone that wants to spend your life saving on crypto when there is no guarantee that it turns into a million, don't pick this up. For this strategy, you don't need to use money. So he tells his story here, okay, how he started in the crypto game, and he says below is an image of me bragging in 2017 of how I had 6 figures in Bitcoin. I've done a lot more since then, and he has the proof here. There you go. Look, the balance. At the time, it was just over 4K a coin. As of the time I am writing this copy, it is 55,000K. I knew about Bitcoin and passed on it when it was $5. Then I passed on it at 100. When it hit 1K, I said, okay, you have my attention. Since that point, I have been hooked into the crypto world. Don't you make the same mistake, the game is still so early. So yeah, look, like I said before, 4 years ago, he had the first product out in the space on non-fungible tokens. It was called CryptoKitties Exposed. You could have been in the game 4 years ago with non-fungible tokens. Did you know about my course? Did you buy it and not do anything with it? The best time to plant a tree was 10 years ago, but the second best time is today. Yeah, it's basically what I said before. The value of Bitcoin is continually rising, but it might be a moment that is going to stop. But that moment didn't come yet, so it is a good moment to invest on Bitcoins, especially on non-fungible tokens. It says, the thing with non-fungible tokens is that most people don't have millions of dollars to buy the big ticket items. But with this course, he is going to bring you into a totally different brand new world, totally unrelated to non-fungible tokens, where you start with nothing and only see upside. Will you listen to me this time? So person after person is having success with this. I break it all down from my perspective and show you my case study. So you can see here the examples. 1,500, 5,000. There is no need to be on camera or have a following. I come at this game and show you how to attack this differently than everyone else. So this is crypto vacuum. Okay. So if you purchase this with a special discount, you will, if you click here, you will be redirected to the website. There you go. This is the same website. So the regular price is $29, but you can get it for 11.81 right now. So it's in offer, and the offer is not going to last a lot. So be quick. If you purchase crypto vacuum, you will get a few bonuses for free. Okay, so you have 5-figure freedom, step-by-step method for building a 5-figure monthly income in less than 1 hour daily. This same plan that made Mr. X $1 million. This can make $3,000 to $5,000 per day. So with crypto vacuum, you will aspire to, you want to get to that amount. So here, this PDF has a lot of tricks that will help you to achieve that. Bonus tutorial: how to get unique content on your pages without writing a word. You have a website and you struggle to get some content. This is a technique that will allow you to get content for free with just a few clicks. The chatbot revolution. Learn the secrets to saving insane amounts of time and money by using chatbots. This one is a 10K a month online. Case study reveals all. Proof that how you can achieve this. Okay, if you just following the simple steps that you will be receiving in this online webinar. Google Display Network hacks. Learn how to drastically increase your traffic with Google Display Network. Discover how you can make the most out of GDN with these killer top secret tips. And last but not least, a link supercharger software, the powerful solution to generate more traffic. You can brand your domains and maximize your commissions. So that's it, guys. This is Crypto Vacuum. You can read more about it if you go to if you click on the link. You can, or here on the top, or here, you can access to the website to get more info. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next review.